Welcome everyone. Today I'm going to be making Jaffna style fries, which is very popular in Sri Lanka. I couldn't find any recipe on the internet, so I decided to share my own special recipe just for you guys. Here are the ingredients. So you need 3 cups of fries. You can always use less or more if you need it. Make sure it's hot so the cheese melts. You need half a cup of cheese or less, half a cup of onions, 2 or 3 pinches of salt, 3 tablespoons of green chilies, 2 tablespoons of tomatoes, 3 tablespoons of chili flakes, and lastly 1 tablespoon of peppers. And you could also use mayo, ketchup, and hot sauce as a topping. First things first, you're gonna add your salt. We're only gonna put a little bit because we have other flavors to add. Then you're gonna add your pepper. Make sure you spread it out. Mix that properly. Now you add your cheese. Make sure not to put too much. Now you add your green chili. Now you add your onions. You can put as much as you want. And your tomatoes. Since you only have 1 tablespoon, make sure to spread it out. Now you add your chili flakes. Only a couple pinches. Now if you'd like for the flavor, you could add a little bit of curry powder. Now for the special ingredient, you add mayo. Now if you want, you can add some hot sauce. And this is your Jaffna fries. I hope you enjoy it. Make sure you subscribe and like this video. Bye!